Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. How can AI be utilized to extend efficiency? For every human being, productivity and efficiency in work is highly important. We can increase our productivity by using different methods and by maintaining discipline daily. Now the world is changing rapidly, hence to become accustomed to this changing world we must increase our productivity with full efficiency from day-to-day life to professional life. Now this is going to be an era of AI. So, how AI can be useful and help increase productivity. In this video, we are going to investigate the different ways in which AI can be utilized to extend efficiency and productivity. So, let's get started. 1. Robotizing schedule assignments. One of the foremost critical benefits of AI is its capability to mechanize schedule assignments. Assignments that are tedious and time-consuming can be dealt with by AI, liberating up important time for representatives to center on more basic errands. For illustration, AI-powered chatbots can handle client inquiries, liberating client benefit agents to handle more complex issues and many more. 2. Improving decision-making. AI can be utilized to upgrade decision-making. By analyzing endless sums of information in real time, AI can give important bits of knowledge that can offer assistance to businesses to make the right choices. For example, AI-powered analytics devices can offer assistance to businesses to distinguish designs and patterns in customer-client behavior, which can be utilized to educate, showcase, and dealing procedures accordingly. 3. Intelligent resource allocation. Allocating resources effectively is essential for increasing production and reducing waste. AI can assist with it specifically. AI algorithms can optimize resource allocation across a variety of sectors, including energy, transportation, and urban planning, by analyzing historical data, market patterns, and real-time information. Costs are reduced, sustainable practices are encouraged, and overall efficiency is increased as a result. 4. Streamlining workflows. AI can offer assistance streamline workflows by automating different angles of the method. For example, AI can be utilized to naturally plan gatherings, relegate assignments, and track advances. This may offer assistance to reduce errors and guarantee that errands are completed on time. 5. Personalizing client encounter. By utilizing AI-powered calculations, businesses can personalize the client involvement for each person. This may offer assistance in increment engagement and devotion. For illustration, AI can be utilized to suggest items based on a customer's past buys, browsing history, and statistical data. 6. Increasing knowledge. We can use different AI tools to increase our knowledge and learning process whenever we want. We can ask an AI tool for anything to know in detail and a summarized version. We can learn science, arts, business, or any information by giving commands. Such tools are ChatGPT and Copy, AI, etc., and may more. 7. Upgrading client benefit. AI-powered chatbots and virtual colleagues can give 24/7 client benefits, replying to client inquiries and settling issues rapidly and effectively. This may offer assistance to move forward with client fulfillment and satisfaction. The world as we know it is changing rapidly now because of artificial intelligence, which is increasing productivity in different ways we never imagined before. IT is happening for the first time in human history. AI is revolutionizing industries, streamlining operations, and enabling professionals to do more through automation, wise decision-making, personalization, predictive maintenance, and intelligent resource allocation. Therefore, let's embrace this remarkable technology and open the door to a future of unmatched efficiency and grow in different fields for a better future. We appreciate your presence today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your opinions. Until next time. Thank you for watching.